Hello everyone. This video is going to be about how to add any types of links to your Canva website and import that into Shopify. So any type of links that you add on this design will reflect on Shopify. How do you do that? It's very easy. It's just a two-step process. So I'll try to show you some of the examples. For example, let's edit this design. Now I want to add Instagram element to this, and now we will just pick any of these logos. Let's just pick this one. This looks okay, and let's just resize it. And for the sake of this video, let's just say that I want to put it here, and I want to add text saying at Canvify App. This is our Instagram account, and I'm just gonna paste it here. Alright, so how do you add link to it? So whenever someone clicks on it, it should take them back to this Instagram page. So for what you need to do is copy this link, come back to your Canva website. Now there's a shortcut to this. If you press Ctrl+K, you can see the option to add links, or you can just right click on it and you can see the link option here. Click on link, paste it here. Do the same with the text if you want to do this. Done. Now, these are both links, so whenever someone clicks on it, it will take them back to this website. So let's see how that works. For that, we're gonna have to preview it. Let's scroll down and see where our app is. So now, yeah, we can see the logo and the text here. So when you click on it, it will take you back to this Instagram app. The same goes for everything that you want to do here. Now, if you want this to appear on your Shopify store, you have to close it. You have to publish the site, republish it here, come back to your Canvify app in your Shopify admin panel, go to this app and click update. Now updating it is very important. If you don't update, the changes will not reflect on your Shopify store. That is why you have to update this. Now what if you want to add a contact form here, or a lead generation form, or if you want to add TikTok feeds or Instagram feeds? For that, we have separate tutorials. You can find the links somewhere around this page. Thank you so much.